Good afternoon, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with an acrylic flip cup pour, back to basics, flip cup pour. I did a pour on here before and I was not happy with it, so I have scraped it. As I tell you guys, it's only paint. The paint is mostly made up with more pouring medium than actual paint, so I am not going to stress over it. So I'm going to do a flip cup pour on this particular canvas and hope that I get something good out of it. I am going to do gold and silver metallics in a couple of the cups, and then I'm going to go with other colours in the rest. Okay, these are all my Mont studio acrylics, and they are all mixed in my normal way with the PVA glue and warm water. The pouring medium recipe is in the drop down box underneath this video, so you will get all the information on what I've added to my paints there and how I've done it for those that want to know. I have, where am I going now? I have put links to the supplier in Australia at Cabriole Shabby Chic. There is links to where I get my heat gun, and everything is on there, so there's really nothing left to the imagination. It's all there for you. So this is the only exception. This was the black and I mixed this particular one with Floetrol. So I'm trying to achieve some webbing throughout this. So if I'm just doing these simple colours, but I'm going to see if doing a flip cup will create me any webbing in the, putting Floetrol in the black, I'm seeing if I can achieve any sort of webbing or lacing in the flip cup. So all will be revealed, I suppose. It'll either be a winner or a sinner. Oh, thank you guys for joining me. Do appreciate you all. As I tell you each and every time, I really do appreciate you watching, and thank you for subscribing. Those that haven't done so, please do so. It's absolutely free. What else can I tell you? Hope that you're all going well and that you are coping with all the goings on that's happening in your part of the world. And if you're needing help or needing a heat ear, please ring somebody. If you find yourself getting not able to handle life as we know it now, please get on the phone to friends, family, counselling services. We all, can do with a little bit of sympathetic ear at these times, I think, when it gets overwhelming. But more than anything, if you have got a hobby like this or you love creating art, then create, because it really does make a difference, I believe, absolutely. So yeah, just keep yourself calm and relax. So I have no ideas what this is going to react like, just all these metallics, with that exception of the black with the Floetrol. It looks very cosmic at this stage, the colours. So be interesting, won't it, what this flip cup does with this bit of Floetrol in it, in the mix as well. So I'm just hoping it doesn't crack, because I just did one with the similar, but it kind of started to separate and crack, but still looked good actually. But there you go. That's those colours into the wash bin. Wash bin. So might do this a bit like, I will do one there, one there, one there, and one there. Okay, very cosmic looking. Holy dooly jackaroony. I'm just going to leave it for a second or two just for the colours to work themselves down, introduce each other, hopefully work nicely together. So we just, that black is what's kind of making it separate on the metallics. I mean, it does look cool because it's kind of fracturing like a fracturized picture. But let's see how we go. Ooh, very cosmic. Didn't put so much black in, did I? But look at how the black takes over. Wow, let's get this, hold on to it so I don't lose it all off the edges. Oh, it's very shimmery. Shimmery, shimmery, shimmery. Oh, look at this lacing that is appearing. Oh, I've got to do a bit of a flip and lip in this. I don't want to just... I like doing the lip through it because then it doesn't, it breaks it up. The flip and lip. Oh, look at those. Oh, I'd just like to leave that exactly as it is, but I can't because it needs tilting, so it's too much paint on the canvas. But definitely putting the lip of you cut back through with the colours, it does create an interesting effect. I like it. I like it. Cover my corners. Wow, that looks like a piece of marble or something. Looks beautiful. Pouring God, stay with me. See, the only thing that's going to ruin this now is because I have put silicone in this and it's going to bubble up. But that's fine. I mean, that look is pretty stunning. It is. Oh, this lacing that coming up is pretty spectacular. Oh, the colours are absolutely blooming gorgeous, stunning. So just gently tilt your colours. You're just tilting it so it's covering all of your canvas, and you do actually need to run some colours off because there's way too much paint. This paint was very thin too, that I had previously done for a different pour, so it is sliding over there a bit too quickly than I would preferred. Oh, it looks like a desert, really does. There's my husband just turning up. And that's the puppy, being the big guard dog boy. Oh, okay, I'm losing all those lovely colours. Come back. Ah, he's too noisy. He's too noisy. Wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, I am not gonna put my heat gun on this one because I just love the look of it being like a, oh, it's just like a cut slab of granite, I believe. I love it. These sell really lovely in a gold frame, a floating frame just around the edge. They sell, people love them, and especially in offices. So if you've got some art and I know lots of people say, where do I sell? You know, you either, obviously you can put it on all the local sites, but if you pop into offices, whether they're solicitors, doctors, with particular pours that correspond with what they might be trading as. Like this one would probably be nice in what's the blokes that do the geographical, you know, it might be a surveyor or I can't think of the name because I'm old. I can't think. But you know what? It's absolutely gorgeous. And one other thing I'm going to tell you, the noise you heard when I said my husband's turning up. Well, we had our mower. We're on a property, so we had quite a big mower because we've got a lot of land, and it completely carked it. So my husband said, I'm just going up to the local mower shop to see if they've got any new mowers. He comes back with a second-hand mower that somebody had just traded in. I can't leave him 5 minutes on his own. He has got no self-control where machines are. So I've got to go out and have a look at this mower. And it will be me that's driving it round. So they're ride-on mowers, and I absolutely love getting out on the paddocks, doing the jobs around the paddocks. So very, very lucky person, and we've worked hard all of our lives to get what we have now. So as my father would say, it's funny how lucky you get the harder you work, or the harder the work the luckier you get, something like that. Okay, bye for now. Thanks so much for subscribing. If you haven't done so, I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Until next time, bye.